Alright, this one's for the Toyota Sienna, guys. If your evap has gone bad, you literally just take your glove box out, the bottom panel out, wiring, unplug it. There's like 4 or 6 bolts. There's like one right here. There's the 2 down bottom, one like up here, and I believe there's like a couple up top. And then unbolt from the back side or from the firewall the hoses, and it literally just pulls straight out. You just gotta kind of pull it out, pull it out, and then hold the wires up out of the way as you work your way out of it, and then that's done. All right, so anyways, you get that all undone. Obviously vac down your Freon first, whatever's left in there, or you'll have a mess. Oil will go everywhere. And it just bolts, the hoses bolts in the back of that. Then we're going to undo all these Phillips heads to pop this half off, and then your coil is in there. It's just this guy. It's literally $50. It's got 2 screw-in ends. It just goes right back in. It's $50. I'll put it in the description below. Just click the link, and then you pop it back the fuck in, vacuum it down, recharge it, and you're red-eye to go again. Alright guys, it literally, to get to this point, took me half an hour. Peace.